We got a 2022 Mazda Miata key fob. We're going to open it up to replace the battery. So the key fob has two sides, one side with the emblem on it, one without. You're going to take this panel off that has the emblem on it, okay? You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, put it into the corner really gently. This panel is just press fitted on, okay? So I'm going to put it in here like this, just pop it up, okay? Now if you notice that there's a switch down here at the bottom of the remote, this does not take this panel off, okay? Once you get it off, this is coming off here. This is the actual size of the battery right here written on it. Just put your screwdriver in this corner here, give it a twist, you can take this cap off. And then there's a little slot here for the screwdriver, and you can pop the battery out real quick like that. Careful if you're in the car. Battery size CR2032. Positive sign facing out towards us. Put it in the bottom of the remote first. Lock it in like that. If you need a remote battery, there'll be a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. You get this cover. It slides in at the bottom first and then just presses back on. Same thing with the cover. Okay, it does have this foot right here. It does go in the top right. And we just snap this guy on. And we are all done. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. If you hit the like button for me or leave me